Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front strut on this 2004 Nissan Titan. And we show you on the passenger side, but the driver's side is a similar procedure. And the items you'll need for this is a new front strut from 1AAuto.com, 14, 19, and 21 millimeter socket and ratchet, a piece of pipe for extra leverage, a hammer, a punch, jack and jack stands, a torque wrench, and a 19 millimeter wrench. To start off, you want to remove your wheel, so just remove these lug nuts. On this vehicle it was 19 millimeter, but because they're not stock wheels, yours may be slightly different. And if you don't have air-powered tools, you're going to want to loosen the lug nuts preliminarily, raise the vehicle, and then remove them the rest of the way. And once those are removed, your wheel will pull right off. At the bottom of the strut, you'll see this 19 millimeter bolt. You just want to go ahead and remove that. And you can see we use a piece of pipe for some extra leverage. And once it's broken free, you don't need the pipe anymore. And we'll just fast forward as he uses a 19 millimeter socket and ratchet on one side and a 19 millimeter wrench on the other. Once you've removed the nut, using a punch and a hammer, just knock out the bolt. Then remove these three 14 millimeter nuts at the top of your strut. And we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Use a hammer to knock the strut out of place, and then pull it down, and then angle it up and down and out. On the left is the old strut, on the right is the new one from 1A Auto. You can see they're identical and they're going to fit exactly the same. Insert the new strut and push those studs up through. And once you've got them up into place, just replace those three 14 millimeter nuts. And we'll fast forward as Don does this. Now carefully hammer the lower end of the strut back into place. Then push down on the wheel knuckle and push your bolt back into place. Then hammer it in the rest of the way. And we'll fast forward as Don replaces the nut and tightens it up. And you want to torque this lower bolt to 100 foot-pounds and the three 14 millimeter nuts to 25 foot-pounds. And we'll fast forward as Don replaces the wheel and replaces the lug nuts and tightens them up preliminarily. Then you want to lower the vehicle and tighten them the rest of the way and torque them in a crossing pattern to 100 foot-pounds.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free, 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.